In this video, I'm going to show you how Bing could become the default search engine in Firefox, step by step, in just a few clicks. If you want Firefox to use Bing whenever you search from the address bar, this quick tutorial will walk you through the exact settings to change. It's a simple adjustment, but it can make your browsing experience feel a lot more consistent if Bing is the search engine you prefer. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Firefox on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner and click the menu button, which is the icon with 3 horizontal lines. This opens Firefox's main menu, where you can access all of the browser's core settings and features. From the menu, click Settings. This will take you into the Firefox Preferences area, where you can customize how the browser works. On the left side of the settings page, click on the Search panel. This section is where Firefox lets you control search-related options, including your default search engine, search suggestions, and address bar behavior. Now look for the default search engine section. This is the setting that determines which search engine Firefox will use whenever you search directly from the browser. Click the drop-down list and then choose Bing from the available options. As soon as you select it, Firefox will switch your default search engine to Bing. That means any search you type into the address bar or search box will now use Bing instead of the previous default. After that, you can simply close the Settings tab and the change will be saved automatically. That's all there is to it. You've now changed Firefox so Bing becomes the default search engine. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to look. And now your searches will go through Bing by default every time. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides just like this one.